Hello everyone, I am Shreya Shokin, a 10th grade student, and I'm excited to present my innovative solution to a problem that continues to persist worldwide and impact our economy, despite significant advancements in technology. In the economy, there have been many job and recruitment scams. People are being hired by biased institutions for recruitment. These recruitments are unfair and not the ideal state for employment. Recently, a scam was uncovered within TCS, where a few employees were found guilty of abusing their authority by favoring a specific recruitment firm for recruiting people. They accepted bribes from these institutions and exclusively hired candidates from them. This form of hiring is deeply unfair and undermines the principles of equal opportunity and employment. We need to stop these job scams from happening as it puts a lot of power in the hands of only a few individuals. These job scams need to be stopped for our economy to grow. The solution I have come up with for this problem of recruitment scam and bribery is by utilizing blockchain technology. Blockchain has the potential to reduce recruitment scams by introducing transparency, immunity, and verification mechanisms into the recruitment process. Let me explain to you in depth about the top 4 benefits of blockchain technology for recruitment purposes. Authentication. Blockchain authenticates credentials through cryptographic keys and digital signatures. Every job posting posted on the blockchain can also be authenticated by its immutable system. Decentralized system. Blockchain operates on a decentralized network where multiple participants validate and store transactions. This decentralized nature eliminates the need for third-party intervention. Blockchain is often referred to as a trustless system, as trust in the traditional sense is not required within the blockchain ecosystem. DAOs in blockchain. To enhance decentralization and democracy, blockchain incorporates DAOs, which are decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs facilitate recruitment by allowing voting processes for each hiring decision, enabling open participation where stakeholders can contribute and vote. This fosters a democratic and inclusive approach to decision making, ensuring that multiple perspectives are considered in the recruitment process. Security and integrity. Blockchain utilizes advanced cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and data. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it is nearly impossible to alter or tamper with, thanks to the concept of immutability. Blockchain is the way to go. Thank you.